Hello you, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're giving you the pros and cons of working at the multinational. Working at a big well-known company can be exciting, frightening and a dream all in one. If you are wondering whether a multinational would be the place where you and your career can bloom, then this list is for you. Pros: there will be many co-workers. Social butterflies will thrive at a multinational. An environment with many co-workers will bring out the best in them, and this will have a positive reflection on their work. If you love to talk, connect, and simply be around a bunch of people, then a multinational may be the place for you. Opportunities. At a multinational, there will be a lot of opportunities. Instead of one promotion every few years, there will be multiple chances to get a promotion every few months. This will make it easier for you to climb the ladder. And it will possibly not only bring your career to a higher level, but it can also take your career to different places. An opportunity may arise in a different department, and just like that, you can find yourself in a completely different role at the same company. Resume builder. Big names open big doors. That's how it works in life, but also in careers. And even if you decide that you want to go work in a smaller company, the name of a multinational can still open that door for you. Work experience at a multinational will always look good on your resume. Ideas. A multinational is often more open to the ideas of its employees. As they want to keep growing their brand and stay up to date, they are always open to new ideas. Dominating the market is something you can only do if you keep evolving. Besides being more open to new ideas, multinationals usually have the budget to turn your ideas into reality. Going international. Have you ever wondered how it would be working and living on the other side of the world? With a job at a multinational, this dream may become a reality. A lot of times there are projects that co-workers from different countries work on together. This happens online, but also in person, which gives you the chance to travel abroad on your boss's dime. Sounds good? Well, it can get even better. Because if you want to move to another country, you can ask to get a transfer to an international branch of the company. This process will be much easier and faster than if you do it yourself. And there is a big chance that the company will also help you with all the required papers that you will need. And if you're really lucky, they might even provide housing. This means that your international dream doesn't have to stay a dream, but can become a reality. Cons. There will be many co-workers. Just as we opened the pros with many co-workers, we are opening the cons with many co-workers. Not everyone is a people person, and that's okay. Always having people around and needing to be on every minute of your workday can ask a lot from introverts. Not to mention the toll it can take on highly sensitive people who will not have the opportunity to retreat in a calm place and always have to communicate with others. TikTok. They say time is money, and it's no different at a multinational. Everything is fast-paced, and taking your time is often not part of your schedule. If you can't work under pressure and like to take it easy, you should reconsider applying to a multinational. Bureaucracy. Even though most things are fast-paced at a multinational, there is also a lot of bureaucracy. This means that there will be a lot that cannot be done without higher-ups' permission. Of course, this can be very frustrating, as it will also be very time-consuming. Now you know the pros and cons of working at a multinational. Are you curious about the pros and cons of working in a small family company? We've got you covered. You can find the link to that video in the description box. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.